In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Smartsheet. We'll use Zapier to create an automated workflow between your inbox and your sheet. Start by opening a browser and going to zapier.com. Once you're in, click Create Zap. A zap is simply a trigger and an action. Gmail will provide the trigger and Smartsheet will handle what happens next. Set Gmail as your trigger app. You'll see a few trigger options. New email fires for every incoming message. New email matching search, which is recommended, lets you filter by things like subject keywords, sender, or has.attachment so you capture only the emails you care about. New attachment triggers when a file arrives, and new labeled email fires when a specific label is applied. Pick the one that best fits your process. Most people start with new email matching search for cleaner results. Next, connect your Gmail account. Zapier will prompt you to sign in with your Google account and grant secure access. When that's done, run the test trigger step. Zapier will pull a recent email that matches your chosen trigger so you can see real data moving through the setup. Now choose Smartsheet as the action app. You'll get several action choices. Add row to sheet is the most common and is perfect if you want each email to become a new row. You can also create workspace item if you're organizing new assets, add attachment to row when you only need to push files, or send sheet or notification if you're automating alerts. Select the one that fits your goal. We'll continue with add row to sheet as the typical use case. Connect your Smartsheet account when prompted. If you have multiple sheets, make sure the one you select already includes the columns you plan to fill. Consistent column names and types in Smartsheet will make mapping much smoother. Now map the data from Gmail to your Smartsheet columns. A straightforward example is Gmail subject to the Smartsheet column called Title, Gmail body to the description column, sender email to the requester column, and attachment to the file column. For best results, ensure title, description, and requester are text-friendly columns. If requester is a contact type column, confirm the email value is being passed. For attachments, verify the file column accepts attachments and that your trigger includes messages with files if that's essential. Use the sample pulled by Zapier to preview how your row will look. Adjust any fields that don't align as expected. When everything appears correct, your Gmail to Smartsheet connection is ready, and your workflow will now seamlessly capture the right details from incoming emails into your sheet.